Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. Find the correlation coefficient and the equation of the regression lines for the values of x and y. X values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y values are 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. So let us see how to solve this problem. The correlation coefficient is the formula. First I am writing the correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient is Rxy is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by square root of n into summation x square minus summation x whole square into square root of n into summation y square minus summation y whole square. This is already we know the formula for correlation coefficient. So now let us see next the equation of line of regression. The equation of line of regression y on x. Y on x is y minus y bar, which is equal to byx into x minus x bar. So what is byx? So there is another formula. So let us see the formula for byx. So byx, which is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by n into summation x square minus summation x whole square. This is byx. Next the equation of line of regression x on y is x minus x bar, which is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. So what is the bxy? Bxy, which is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by n into summation y square minus summation y whole square. So this is the formulas, total formulas. So I am going to solve using these all the formulas, the correlation coefficient as well as the regression equation of regression lines. Okay, so let us solve first the value of x table values. First you have to find x value, next y value, next x square, next y square, xy values. So these are very important. So x values are y values, x square, y square, xy. So these are very important values. The x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So summation x we have to find summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation y square, summation xy. These all you know will already I explained you in the previous examples. 2, 5, 3, 8, 7. So here is if we are adding 15, here if we are adding 25, x square, 1 square, 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Total if we are adding 55. Y square 2 square 4, 5 square 25, 3 square 9, 8 square 64, 7 square 49. So total value is 151. xy 1 into 2 2, 2 into 5 10, 3 3s are 9, 4 8s are 32, 5 7s are 35. So total value is 88. So these values are we know. So you have to substitute in the formula. So R is equal to r which is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by square root of n into summation x square minus summation x whole square root of n into summation y square minus summation y whole square. So this is a formula. So using this formula, you have to substitute the values. So r is equal to 5 into 88 minus 15 into 25 divided by n. n is square root of 5 into 55 minus 15 square root of into square root of 5 into 151 minus 25 whole square. So answer is r is equal to, if you are using the calculator, you will get 0.8062. This is the coefficient of correlation. So the coefficient of correlation value we have got. So next we have to find byx, bxy values. So byx, bxy value you have to find using the bxy, which is equal to r into sigma y divided by sigma x. So n into summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by n into summation x square minus summation x whole square. So which is equal to, the value is n is 5 into 88 minus 15 into 25 whole divided by n into, n is 5, summation x square 55 minus 15 whole square, which is equal to, if you are using the calculator, 1.3. So bxy is equal to 1.3. Next you have to find byx. byx is equal to r into sigma x divided by sigma y, n into summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by n into summation y square minus summation y whole square. So substitute the values, you will get, which is equal to n into 5 into 88 minus 15 into 25 divided by n is 5, summation y square is 151 minus summation y is 25 whole square. So if you are using, you have to use the calculator. If you are using the calculator, 0.5, which is equal to byx. So byx is here, byx, this is byx, bxy, next one is bxy, this is bxy, sorry, this is bxy, already I have said that is a byx. Byx value is 1.3, bxy value is 0.5. So you have to substitute in the formula. So the formula is x minus x bar, the equation of line of regression, the equation of line of regression is line of regression y on x. Y on x is y minus y bar, which is equal to byx into x minus x bar. So y minus, what is y bar? X bar is equal to summation x divided by n, which is equal to 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 3. This is x bar. Y bar is equal to summation y divided by n, which is equal to 25 divided by 5, which is equal to 5. So x bar is 3, y bar is 5. So y minus 5, which is equal to byx 1.3, x minus x bar, x minus 3. So therefore y, which is equal to y minus y bar, y is equal to 1.3x minus 3.9 plus 5. So y is equal to 1.3x plus 1.1. This is y on x equation. So next the equation of line of regression x on y is, the equation of y on x on y is x minus x bar, which is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. So x minus x bar is 3, which is equal to bxy is 0.5 into y minus y bar is 5. So therefore x is equal to 0.5y minus 2.5 plus 3. So x value is equal to 0.5y plus 0.5. This is the equation of line of regression x on y.